Welcome. EZTRAK is the leading turnaround planning and cost tracking platform in the industry, designed by turnaround experts. EZTRAK is made up of three primary modules: Pilot for planning and execution, Flow for material management, and Vault for budgeting and cost tracking. Pilot simplifies scope development and provides guidelines for planners to create consistent work packages and step-outs. Track execution in real time, significantly reduce planning resources, and keep your execution team in perfect sync. Flow delivers 100% visibility of all material. It integrates with SAP so that every PO line item is tracked from requisition to installation. Eliminate loss, duplicate orders, expediting, and surplus. Ensure your material is ready when needed to maximize time on tools. Vault gives project controls real-time visibility. Create budgets, invite vendors to bid, track costs from multiple sources, log scope changes, and report actuals. Use AI to forecast accurately and drive predictive spend during your turnarounds. Together, Pilot, Flow, and Vault give you total control of planning, materials, and costs so your team can execute turnarounds on time and under budget. Take control of your next turnaround and book your demo now at EZTRAKsoftware.com and experience why refineries are switching to EZTRAK.